Welcome back, Shadowing English Learners. I'm Sarah. Quick question. Can you tell someone in English, right now, what your mother is like? Not just her name, not just her job, what she is like, how she makes you feel, what she has taught you. Most people learning English can order food, ask for directions, talk to a stranger. But when someone asks, "Tell me about your family," they don't know what to say like a native. If this is your first time here, this is the Fluency Shadowing Challenge. Every episode, 30 real sentences, one topic, 3 rounds of shadowing. You hear it, we say it together, then you say it alone. No grammar rules, no long explanations, just your mouth moving in English every single day. We are on day 9, and today's topic is the one that actually matters most: family and the people closest to you. Sec 1. People and places closest to you. These sentences are about your everyday world, your people, your home. You already know these feelings in your heart. Today we put them into English. Say them out loud. Do not just read them in your head. The goal is to feel them as you say them. Let's go. Sentence 1. My family is very important to me. My family is very important to me. Now you. My family is very important to me. Sentence 2. I have a sister and a brother. I have a sister and a brother. Your turn. I have a sister and a brother. Sentence 3. My mother is kind and strong. My mother is kind and strong. Say it. My mother is kind and strong. Sentence 4. My father works hard every day. My father works hard every day. Now you. My father works hard every day. Sentence 5. We eat dinner together on weekends. Your turn. We eat dinner together on weekends. Pause here. Picture your family dinner table. The noise, the food, the faces. Now say sentence 5 one more time with that picture in your mind. We eat dinner together on weekends. Good. Keep going. Sentence 6. My grandparents live near our house. My grandparents live near our house. Say it. My grandparents live near our house. Sentence 7. I call my family every week. I call my family every week. Now you. I call my family every week. Sentence 8. My brother makes me laugh a lot. My brother makes me laugh a lot. Your turn. My brother makes me laugh a lot. Sentence 9. I miss my family when I am away. I miss my family when I am away. Say it. I miss my family when I am away. Sentence 10. Home feels warm when we are together. Say it like you mean it. Home feels warm when we are together. Set 1 done. 10 sentences. 10 pictures of your life in English. That is how your English becomes yours. Let's keep going. Set 2. Feelings and connections. These sentences go a little deeper. Not just facts about your family, but how you feel about the people you love. In English, we often do not say these things because we do not have the words yet. Today you get the words. Sentence 11. My best friend knows me very well. My best friend knows me very well. Now you. My best friend knows me very well. Sentence 12. I feel happy when I am with my family. I feel happy when I am with my family. Your turn. I feel happy when I am with my family. Sentence 13. Sometimes families have hard days together. Sometimes families have hard days together. Say it. Sometimes families have hard days together. We talk about our problems at home. We talk about our problems at home. Now you. We talk about our problems at home. Sentence 15. My parents always tell me they love me. My parents always tell me they love me. Your turn. My parents always tell me they love me. Pause. Think of one person who has always been there for you. Your mother, your father, a grandparent, a friend. Hold that face in your mind. Now say sentence 15 again. My parents always tell me they love me. Good. Sentence 16. I learned many things from my grandmother. I learned many things from my grandmother. Say it. I learned many things from my grandmother. Sentence 17. A good relationship takes time and care. A good relationship takes time and care. Now you. A good relationship takes time and care. Sentence 18. I try to listen when someone I love is sad. I try to listen when someone I love is sad. Your turn. I try to listen when someone I love is sad. Sentence 19. My family is not perfect, but I love them. My family is not perfect, but I love them. Say it. My family is not perfect, but I love them. Sentence 20. I want to spend more time with the people I care about. I want to spend more time with the people I care about. Now you. I want to spend more time with the people I care about. Set to done. 20 sentences out of your mouth. 160 sentences total this challenge. But here is what I want you to notice. These are not just English sentences. These are your stories, your people, your home, your life. You are not learning English about someone else's world. You are learning to speak about your own. That is the difference. One more set. Set 3. The sentences that stay with you. This set is for the moments you cannot always put into words. When you feel far from someone you love. When you want to say something real. When English needs to carry something heavy. Say every sentence slowly. Say them like you are talking to someone right now. Sentence 21. The people who love you do not need you to be perfect. The people who love you do not need you to be perfect. Now you. The people who love you do not need you to be perfect. Sentence 22. I am grateful for the family I have. Your turn. I am grateful for the family I have. Sentence 23. When I feel lost, my family helps me find my way. When I feel lost, my family helps me find my way. Say it. When I feel lost, my family helps me find my way. Sentence 24. Some friendships feel like family too. Some friendships feel like family too. Now you. Some friendships feel like family too. Sentence 25. I want the people I love to feel safe and cared for. I want the people I love to feel safe and cared for. Your turn. I want the people I love to feel safe and cared for. Sentence 26. My relationship with my parents has changed as I have grown. My relationship with my parents has changed as I have grown. Say it. My relationship with my parents has changed as I have grown. Sentence 27. The best gift I can give my family is my time. The best gift I can give my family is my time. Now you. The best gift I can give my family is my time. Sentence 28. I do not always say I love you, but they know. I do not always say I love you, but they know. Your turn. I do not always say I love you, but they know. Sentence 29. My home is wherever the people I love are. My home is wherever the people I love are. Say it. My home is wherever the people I love are. Sentence 30. Family is not just blood. It is also the people who choose to stay. Family is not just blood. It is also the people who choose to stay. One more time. Family is not just blood. It is also the people who choose to stay. "30 sentences. 270 sentences total across this entire challenge. But here is what matters more than any number. You just spoke about the most important part of your life, in English. Your family, the people who shaped you, the people who stay. That is not just vocabulary practice. That is something much bigger. Here is what I need you to do before you close this. 3 things. First, type episode 9 done in the comments right now. 9 days. That is real. Second, subscribe and turn on the bell. Episode 10 is the final one. You are 1 day away from finishing what you started. Do not stop now. Third, send this video to someone in your family or to a friend who feels like family. Let them see that you are doing this because the people who love you want to know you are growing. One last question before I let you go. Who is the person in your life you are most grateful for? And what is one word you would use to describe them in English? Drop it below. The answers you leave shape exactly what I build in episode 10. 9 days. 9 times you showed up, for the language and for the people behind it. That is who you are now. I will see you for the final episode.